What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. And man, this video gonna be short. All rip, I got stuff to do, but I gotta keep posting every day, you know. Well, posting up until Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner, bro. We got 2 days away. You know what I'm saying? So Christmas, right around the corner, man. So we just doing a quick little POV drive, probably like a little 5-minute, 10-minute POV drive. I don't know. I ain't gonna say 10, but a little 5-minute POV drive, man. Every video ain't gotta be crazy long, you know what, 10 minutes. I just gotta stay consistent with y'all, but yeah, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we just drive. I feel great outside, man. 70 degrees. 70 degrees and showing my knees. Ugly, you know what I am. When it's 70 degrees, just show your knees, man. I don't really got too much to say. I was gonna do this as a no talking POV, but I just did one of them. And y'all only like them sometimes, it just depends. But it's a gold, but that car is a gold Impala on 2060. Crazy. I wonder how pedestrians feel when I pass by doing that. Like, cause you know you hear a lot of loud cars from trucks to anything in the road. You know what I'm saying? Everyday traffic. So you hear my cars, they're like, oh, there go another. You know what I'm saying? My car not that loud. It really not, bro. It's loud. Obviously, it's loud. But I'm saying it's not like loud, like to where it's like grabs your attention out of everybody else loud. Cause everybody else, I done heard crazy cars like around these parks. You know what I'm saying? That way louder than mine, and I be hearing them from a distance. Now my boy Charles, that boy stupid. He had his hand out like this. He always do that, bro. Nigga lame. Hell nah, man. I'm gonna take a little detour for y'all, boys, just to give y'all a few more minutes. Cause I'm finna cut the camera off, but I'm gonna go the longer way just to get y'all, boys, you know what I mean? Camera don't do no justice, man, but hey. Camera don't do no justice. My bad, I gotta sit back. I be sitting too close so y'all boy can't see for real. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? I forgot what I was finna ask y'all something, man. I don't know what I was gonna ask y'all. It was something I was gonna ask. I can't remember what I was gonna say. Ooh, 12. But 12 is sent by a dumpster. Boy, they so lame. You sitting by a dumpster at a church. I knew he was gonna be there because sometimes they be there. But I just had to look. I just had to look that one time. Even though I wasn't doing nothing. Can't say nothing about me doing this. You know what I'm saying? Can't say nothing about making noise as long as I ain't coming down there doing 100. Oh yeah. Which I'll never do that. Ever. Y'all never, ever see me do that. Yeah, man. It's a nice little calm, you know what I'm saying, sunny day POV drive, man. Well, the sun just covered up right now, but sun's out though. Sun's out, but sun's out ugly. I don't see how folks stay on roads like that, bro. They meant to my hobby. My bad. I had just read a text, my fault. y'all, boy. I ain't even mean to talk out loud just then. I forgot I was recording to that fast. I almost just got pissed off, boy. Well, yeah, man. Yeah, Cari crew, man. Christmas, hey, man. What y'all boy want for Christmas, man? I know a lot of y'all probably gonna say a scat, head cap, something like that. No, I want a head cap, but you know, I know I ain't gonna get it for Christmas, but let me get it sooner. Let me get it sooner, man. Let me get that mother sooner. You feel me? But nevertheless, man, what y'all boy want for Christmas? Comment down below what y'all want for Christmas, man. You know what I'm saying? Besides a car. Well, no, you can put a car, whatever you want, really. But what else I was gonna say? I was gonna ask y'all boys something. I don't know. But yeah, man, Christmas is gonna be the last day of Vlogmas for me, man. If not Christmas Eve, probably Christmas Eve or today. I don't know. It's slowly coming to an end, man. This month went by kind of fast. I'm not gonna lie. Me doing these videos every day, man, this month go by super fast. Super duper fast. I ain't gonna cap. But you know what I'm saying? It was fun. You know what I'm saying? Very much fun. I enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? Many more videos to come, obviously. You feel me? I'm gonna stay in that mode because I like this mode. Keep working. But you know, I like this mode, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna be posting every day. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna be posting with like more consistent like how I used to be. You know, like couple times a week. When I'm feeling good, probably 4 times a week. Or if I got a lot of time in my hands, or you know, at least 2. You know what I'm saying? Like one day out the weekend, one day out the week, or 2 days out the week, one day out the weekend. I don't know yet. It just depends on how much y'all tap in. Ain't no reason me posting crazy and y'all ain't even tapping in. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say we work together, bro. We're a team, bro. It ain't just me. You know what I'm saying? Teamwork make the dream work. If I ain't got no teamwork, my dreams ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Just a little short little POV drum and give y'all boys a little pull real quick, and you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be that. Stick 'em. Just a nice little sticker, man. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. For all my people out there that's chasing their dreams, man. Keep chasing your dreams. You know what I'm saying? Stay down, stay humble, stay hungry. You know what I'm saying? Keep God first, keep him in the midst for all my religious folks. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, y'all, boy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Like I also said on the end of my video, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.